To write English shorthand junior speed strokes without any omission. Before writing speed, students must practice the following. Number 1, hard words. Number 2, writing similar strokes with crystal clear. Number 3, phrases and contractions. Number 4, intersections. Number 5, advanced outlines. And finally, students must develop the art of creating spot advanced outlines, that is, doubling the first and last outline of the strokes for repeated words, which will result in writing English shorthand junior speed strokes without any omission. Number 1980 speed. Hard words. Deficit. Intensive. Entitled. Gratitude. Similar strokes. I shall. I wish. A. And. Self-sufficient. Self-sufficiency. In. Any. In our. In order to. Honorable member. It is. Which is. It may be. It can be. Itself. Which is. Of the. All the. It will be. Which will be. If we can. If we could. Of. All. Of our. On our. That the. With the. Do not have. Did not have. Put. To be. Of the. All the. This is. Themselves. That this. With this. For this. In this. Phrases and contractions. Ladies and gentlemen, more important, more and more, that there is, in this connection, we have government with regard to. I would like to, as early as possible, has been, I have been, at the present time, of course, in this regard, as soon as possible, you will be able to. Intersections, 8%. Irrigation facilities, General Manager, Pari and Company, to the company, this company, advanced outlines, to you, food production, I consider, must be, no doubt, in some parts of the country, pointed out that we should not, food grains, not only self-respect, our own, has to be worked out in this country to meet, come forward, to give, agriculture, inform you that there should be more than, will not be, at all. You are aware, you are also, it is necessary, should be, this year, all over the country, food production, to some extent, so far, about the, within the country, we must take steps, their own, they must, this is the best service to the country. Letter from the, to Thiru, inform you that you should, on the, will be, I am very sorry, I am sure, you will, in your, you are, everyone, for your, we hope, yours sincerely, spot advanced outlines, irrigation, distribution, 15 seconds, 10 seconds, 5 seconds, Get ready, start. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to speak to you today about an important subject of food production. I consider self-sufficiency in food is more important than any other matter. Our objective must be to achieve self-sufficiency in food by producing more and more within our country in order to feed our people. It is no doubt true that there is shortage in food in some parts of the country. This shortage is made good by imports. It may be pointed out in this connection that we should not depend on imports of food grains. It is not only bad, but it also affects our self respect. We have to stand on our own legs, and a beginning has to be made now itself towards self sufficiency in food. These imports work out to less than 8% of the food grains that we consume in this country. It will be possible to meet this deficit if we can make earnest efforts. The government will readily come forward to give all assistance to the farmers. With regard to agriculture, I would like to inform you that there should be intensive cultivation. We should raise more than one crop on our lands. If two crops are already being raised, we should try to raise a third crop. This will not be difficult at all. You are aware that the success of agriculture depends on irrigation. You are also aware that all areas do not have sufficient irrigation facilities. It is necessary that the available irrigation facilities should be put to maximum possible use. Every action should be taken in this regard as early as possible. This year, the rainfall all over the country has been below normal. This may affect our food production to some extent. So far, I have been talking about the need for self sufficiency in food production within the country. The objective is to feed all the people. We must also take steps to see that there is proper distribution. The farmers may certainly keep enough for their own use. They must consider it their national duty to make the surplus available for distribution. The government have already assured the farmers a reasonable price for their own produce. This is the best service they can render to the country in these days of shortage. Our aim at the present time should be produce more and market more. Letter from the General Manager, Pari and Company, Madras, To Thiru K. Swami, Madras. Dear Thiru Swami, I regret to inform you that the medical officer has now advised us that you should retire on the ground of bad health. This is to confirm that retirement will be effective from 30th June 1979. I am very sorry indeed that this action has to be taken, but I am sure you will understand that the decision is taken in your best interest. You are, of course, entitled for 8 weeks' salary. The check in this regard will be sent to you as soon as possible. Everyone in this office joins me in expressing our gratitude for your long and faithful service to the company. Since your joining this company in the year 1952, we hope that your health will improve soon and you will be able to enjoy a long and happy retired life. Yours sincerely, Stop.